Hello, my name is Mukundu. I'm a Zimbabwean session guitarist and music producer. This is a program that I call How I Played, where I break down some of my most popular guitar lines that I played for different artists. As you might have guessed, this is a track that we did with Oliver Mtukudzi on an album called Nava that we recorded some years ago. And I have to say out a disclaimer first. I'm not the one who created this guitar line. This song is a revamped version of a track that was done in the 70s. So I'm not sure of the guitarist who created the guitar line, but I just played my own version of the guitar line when we did it on the album Nava. So basically on the song, I just played two guitar lines only, and I'm going to explain both lines. I played the main guitar line, which I played on the opening and on all of the instrumental parts, and then I played another one which is similar to that one, but I played it when Oliver was doing his vocals. So the first line goes like the song is in the key of E. So my the first part of the melody, I started playing it on string number 3, fret number 9, and it goes like. Then string number 2 and string number 3 on the 9th fret. Let me do it again slowly. Then so playing it with the normal tempo, it goes like. So when Oliver was doing his vocals, I was playing another melody line. It's a bit similar to the one that I was playing, but this one I was muting the strings. That's when I put the palm of my hand on the bridge. So instead of these strings sounding like, they'll be sounding like, they'll be muted. So the melody line that I played during the vocals is so this is how I was playing it. I'm going to play it slowly. It's then I'll repeat it again slowly. Then so playing it with the normal tempo is so basically on this song I just played two guitar lines only. The main guitar line that I played on the opening and on all the instrumental parts, and the other line that I played on the parts when Oliver was singing. So basically those are the two guitar lines that I played. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Mukundu Music. And see you on the next episode.